Welcome to vlog 14.
If you don't know us already, we're Harry and Nikki, and last month we finished our 17-seater minibus campervan conversion in order to take it across Europe this summer.
In this vlog, we've made it to the 11th and final country we're visiting during this European road trip, the Netherlands. We stayed in an idyllic farm park-up, explored the town of Zwolle, enjoyed a bonfire and barbecue with some local Dutch friends.
Yeah, it's everything. Yeah. You can do literally everything here and you will not get caught.
Yeah, but
really? Except like bank robbery or something, don't do that.
Yeah, but like...
And finally bought ourselves some second-hand Dutch bikes.
You happy with it? Look at your little face.
Now with that being said, let's get on with the video.
So, good morning guys and welcome to the Netherlands. So, we've woken up this morning, Nikki's currently in bed making some TikToks for us. So if you guys don't follow us on TikTok, make sure you do that. What's it? At the Vanbitious Project?
Yeah, it's just the same, the Vanbitious Project.
So yeah, do that. But yeah, so yesterday we went and explored a place called Arnhem, which is right by our park up where we're parked right now. We're just in one of the green park ups because obviously wild camping is illegal in Netherlands as well. So we're playing it quite safe right now. But tonight we're moving up towards Zwolle.
Yeah.
Because there's a nice little red park up there which is like 10-12 euros a night. So we're going to head there now and then maybe explore the local village, which I'm not even sure what the name of it is yet. But yeah, I'm going to get on with some washing up now because it needs doing.
I'll clean the van whilst you do that.
Alright, awesome. So we're going to get some admin done and then head up north.
Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up, boy.
So we're just following our Dutch farmer. He's just paid 15 euros and we're parking up here for the night.
Oh my god, it's so sweet. Look at it. It's greeted by his dog and his whole family.
On the front or the back?
I don't mind. Oh, it looks beautiful.
People on the back in the back. Let's get some price. We don't need electric.
No, we don't have any.
We have solar. We're good. We're good. Thank you so much. Amazing. Thank you. Amazing views. Perfect.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Thank
very
you.
much. Cheers.
I'm saying the solar's free.
Yeah. So we are here and it is beautiful. So I think we're going to unbatten all the hatches and have a little look around.
Baby, but Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up, boy. You're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's what you're wearing.
I'm wearing the Ambitious Project merch. It's not actually merch, it's just for me and Harry. We decided to get our own little jumpers before we left.
Yeah, let's go.
So yeah, just for us. I'm gonna do a wee now.
Comment merch in the comment, let's go. Oh, let's see the toilet facilities.
Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Oh, I don't tend to give no trust like that. Oh. She took away all of my youth now. 20 going on 42 now. I hesitate and then get chewed out. No point.
What? Go towards you. No.
A wasp just landed on Harry's hand. I just batted it onto my lap.
I knew she had clothes on down there. It was on my bare skin, so I was what? Yeah.
Yeah, we ran.
Yeah, see you later.
In conversations, I can't seem to shake this. Cause she hangs on way too tight, like it's a dear life and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friend's advice, just come through tonight. I ruined my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Oh, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Oh, I don't tend to give no trust like that. Oh, I don't wanna buy you drugs, drugs,
So I've just made this curry. It's sweet potato, chickpeas, spinach and a little bit of broccoli, so it's a veggie one. Actually it's vegan because it's got coconut milk in it and tomatoes and stuff. And Harry over here is being my sous chef.
Doing the naans. They're looking
Very
kind of good.
Vegan food today. Not even meaning to, it's just kind of natural, isn't it?
So good morning. Nikki's just whipped us up a delicious looking breakfast, haven't you?
Yep.
You've kind of smashed it. We've got some eggs, bacon, beans on some tiger loaf that's been toasted on the pan.
Yeah.
So that looks ridiculous. So we're going to eat that now, and then we're going to head a bit more north as well to meet up with a guy I actually met when I was scuba diving, which is funny. It was only about a week ago in Croatia. I met him, and he said he was from an area called Zwolle in Netherlands. So we're going to head and see him. I think if the weather holds, we're going to chill outside, have a barbecue or something.
Nice.
So we might go to the shops in a bit and prep up for that. But yeah,
Cool.
we will see you in a little bit.
See ya. And we're going, aren't we?
We are hitting the road.
Got myself up in the backseat, driving to you on the back streets. All the other ones are asking, but I don't give a fuck, they nasty. I'm just trying to find you.
So we're all packed up, ready to go. I think we're just heading to a lake just north of Zwolle to meet our friends.
Yeah.
So
We just had a short time as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
Came back, had some lunch and literally just chilled, so we didn't video any of that. It's
Yeah.
quite boring.
It's just been super chill. But yeah, we're going to head out now, have a little barbecue, have a few beers, and yeah, chill out.
So this lake that we're going to is only a 35-minute walk away. We've been walking literally all day. But let's go on another walk, shall we?
Look at you, your little disposable barbecue.
Yeah. A camera lens and a phone, what more could you want?
I don't got no ties, we're running out of time. So I'll be home tonight. I'm coming home. Come right back to me. I'm coming home. Yeah. I just wanna see you, wanna be with you right now.
So yeah, Nikki got a bike. She's pretty gassed with it, as you can see. I'm pretty jealous because mine fell through on Facebook Marketplace, and she's just here practicing her bike and zooming around.
There's no brakes here on the hands. You brake with your feet.
Yeah, so mad thing about Dutch bikes, if you didn't know, you brake with your feet, you cycle backwards to stop. There's no handbrakes. Nikki's still definitely struggling with it. But yeah, you're meant to just brake by cycling backwards, so fascinating. You learn something new every day. But yeah, now we're just going to try find me a bike, and then we're going to go cycling.
So Harry's now looking for his bike.
I'm avidly looking for a bike.
Yesterday you weren't that bothered. Now I've got my bike. Harry's like on Facebook Marketplace, like messaging about 10,000 people.
I was keen. No, I was keen for a bike yesterday, but today,
You really want one?
I
now that
really
you've had
want
a little
a
go on my bike.
no, I've seen you on a bike. 28 inches. How many is yours?
24. Just park anywhere and we'll like right in the middle of the road. Yeah, that's
I'm
cool.
parked.
You're not. You're in the middle of the road.
I'm parked.
Okay. You're selling a lot of bikes.
Where has he got all these bikes?
Mad. You happy with it? Look at your little face. It's so happy.
Right, what are you gearing up for?
We're about to take our bikes into town to the local Aldi so we can get some ingredients for dinner. There are loads of bike lanes here, so it should be pretty safe.
We just want to test out our bikes, really. Look at you
that's
pretending
true,
it's for a purpose. Yeah. But yeah, we're going to get out on the bikes now, maybe do a bit of droning.
Yeah.
It's just begun. And there's something on the tip of your tongue. Don't stay quiet. Things that we keep. You're on fire. So burn it with me. Leave it behind.
So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like it if you do like this video, and also click subscribe so you can be notified of when our next videos come out. You'll want to stick around for next week because we went to Amsterdam and we went to the Red Light Museum, which was crazy and so fascinating. So yeah, stick around for them. See you next week.